Many students don't struggle with English because they lack ability. They struggle because they've stopped believing in themselves. When a student lacks confidence, they become hesitant to ask questions, afraid of making mistakes, and often apologize before they even begin speaking or writing. They may have great ideas but don't express them because they're afraid of being wrong. That's why I focus on building trust first. I create a learning environment where students know that they won't be judged, where they feel safe, heard, and supported. Mistakes are never punished and instead become opportunities to learn. I encourage curiosity, celebrate small wins, and remind my students that progress doesn't happen overnight. Every question they ask, every sentence they write, and every mistake they correct is a step forward. When students feel supported instead of pressured, they become more confident, more engaged, and more willing to learn.